just after giving your first basic information, so after that, completion of the last test number, you are going to start your discussion. Objective of the discussion is not to win, so that please do not make chaos. Okay?
Yes.
Objective of the discussion is to develop. Whatsoever the information you have, you just want to inculcate the basic information that the another have. So let's start from this side. It is considered test number 1. Yeah. So if you do not know the name of any of the candidate, you may say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay?
Yes,
so you may say 6, you may say 1. So please start.
Friends, I get the opportunity to speak on the role of NCC in nation building. NCC is an organization which shapes the youth to make them responsible citizen of the country. NCC develops the quality of discipline, the leadership quality in the young generation. NCC provides a various platform to represent the cadets in various camps like RDC, the YEP, Youth Exchange Program, in which the candidates go to the foreign to represent the country. NCC is
My dear friends, we all need to understand that each and every individual should know that the role of NCC is very much more than in our life. No matter where we go in life, it plays a crucial role in nation building, as more importantly, character building. It has many programs like blood donation camp, plantation camps, as well as preparing the cadets for being a better citizen. It is very much important to be part of NCC, and we need to understand that it's not about being what we are today, but to be the best version of ourselves. And NCC is something.
Okay, great. Next.
As we all know, NCC is the largest youth organization and also developing the qualities of leadership, comradeship and the spirit of adventure, and it is also known as the second line of defense, who is also going to serve as nation and having the training of military.
Okay, next.
NCC plays a vital role for the nation building as it trains the youth of the nation in the armed forces, and as stated by chest number 3, it stands second in the line for the Indian Defence Services, as it plays a vital role in nation building because it trains the youth of the nation in various parameters, that is their character development, their self-development, the mentality development of young generation with the aim of service before self and service for the nation. That's why it is very important and crucial for a country to have NCC as a basic parameter of nation building.
NCC is a platform which provides us various opportunities like so many camps like RDC, VSC, TSC. There are so many various camps where we can we can get the exposure, and there are so many benefits of doing NCC. In our daily life also we can follow, and it is also service before self.
Okay, next.
We know that where uniform is the canvas, the NCC paints the picture of pride and honor. The role of NCC in nation building can be compared to the role of gardener in making the garden called country a really beautiful one by actually pampering and growing the flowers called the youth. Its role can also be compared to the engine that can take the bogies of youth to the development. It can also be compared to a potterer, the NCC being the potterer with its delicacy and very much exposure to all the hardships, with the actual amount of contrast between delicacy and hardships actually shapes its citizens to be its youth to be a better citizens in nation building. It gives them with various amounts of nation building characteristics, such as they have to be united, they have to be disciplined, they have to work for each other, they should be always available for the service of their country. We have seen this in the example in the Bangladesh War of 1971 and the India-Pakistan War of 1960.
Only 30 seconds. Now you have to start a discussion. Please start.
NCC plays a vital role as nation building because it trains the youth of the nation for the development of the nation. As the youth are the future of the nation, it is very important for the youth to be developed in a manner that the country get the title of a developed nation. NCC develops the
So my dear friends, we need to understand that the formation of NCC was conducted as second line of defense, and now it is a voluntary association which is providing each and every individual who are having the willingness to be part of NCC. It is not just about being a good citizen but also being a responsible citizen.
Apart from this, NCC is something which provides equality. That is why the girls cadets were added in NCC in 1949. It shows what gender equality actually looks like. It does not differentiate whether we are at what place we are. For all the activities assigned for boys and girls are similar in all the camps. And through camps, I remember that camps are actually something which give you a plethora of diverse experiences that actually shape you how to overcome, how to adapt. As said by our greatest philosopher, that it is not the strongest who actually survive but the fittest who actually survive, by Charles Darwin. So here NCC actually makes us fit. Being fit means that we are actually adapting to different situations of hardships that we face in the camps, and actually the delicacy that all the PI staffs provide us with. So it actually makes us to develop in a better citizen, to groom ourselves.
NCC also contributes in social works, like blood donation camps are there, and the tree plantation and the.
I really appreciate the point of chess number 8, where she mentioned that fitness promoted by NCC, because we all know that a healthy mind resides under a healthy body, and there are activities which are really amazing, which is like climbing, trekking. These are the activities which has enhanced us as youth of our nation, because when we stand together, we stand stronger. And youth of our nation is the future, and it helps a lot NCC as a
Right,
organization.
And it is